Are you ready to stop living in your masculine energy and start thriving in your feminine energy? Are you sick of attracting men who don't want to commit or just don't have their life together, or who end up ghosting or cheating? Or are you just knowing that you could reach this next level of abundance and creativity and passion in your life, but you feel like you've been coasting or that life has been a little bit flat? I'm Violet Lange, and I'm an expert on love, dating, and relationships, and I have a special invitation for you, which is to join our free Festival of Feminine Energy, which is happening from October 1st through October 10th. It is going to be so much fun. You'll learn about the 3-step process to manifest anything you want in a way that's feminine, not masculine. You'll learn about patterns of attraction and why the healthy masculine loves the healthy feminine, and how you can embrace and embody your healthy feminine, including the 3 stages of feminine development. Now, you'll also learn the 13 facets of feminine energy and how to use these 13 keys to unlock any door, as well as you'll learn about archetypes and avatars for creating and manifesting everything that you want simply by shifting your energy. So if you're sick of working really hard and not feeling like you're getting anywhere in your love life or in any other part of your life, then this is for you. But you've got to click the link and register so that you can get your workshop playbook, as well as the quiz that's embedded inside on how in touch are you with your feminine energy. You're going to take that quiz, get lots of insight, and then show up to the festival excited because we've got some amazing prizes. We've got prizes for posting and participating in the group. We have grand prizes for completing the playbook and submitting it, as well as some really fun, sassy prizes and practices that we will send to you when you invite your friends to participate as well. It's totally free, so just click the link and you will get your playbook and your quiz instantly, and I will see you on the inside. Mwah.